Hi folks, I've got another video for you. What I got in my hand here is some Kettle Freaks Pork Rub. Can't wait to try it out. I've smelt it and tasted it. Pretty good so far. I'm going to do it on some spare ribs. I've already gone ahead and I've removed the membrane from the ribs. I've gone ahead and cut them up, kind of make them look nice, more presentable, make them look pretty. And I got the Weber Kettle. It's up to temp already. I'm ready to put those ribs on there. I'm ready to taste this rub, see how well it goes with that pork. So let's get to it. Here are the Kettle Freak ribs. I'll place them right there. Also, I'm not going to let this go to waste. I'm going to keep that. Put it over here. Okay, looking good. Now I'm going to place that mesquite wood right there. Get some smoke in there. Well, that mesquite down here in Texas is post oak or mesquite. It's looking good. Smell that mesquite already. Here's how everything's looking. Look at that. Kettle Freaks Rub. Alright, I'm gonna let it roll now. I'm gonna keep the temp around 275 in my Weber. Till then, I'll get back to you at the 2-hour mark. 2 hours in, that's what it's looking like. And look at that color. And that Kettle Freaks Rub, look at that, giving it a nice color. Got some pullback already. And the temp of the Weber has been around 273. I'm going to keep it that way, but it's looking good. Well, time to continue on. I'll get right back to you. These are the ribs after 3 hours. I'm going to wrap them up, place them back onto the Weber Kettle. It's looking like they smell delicious. There it is, folks. It's on the Weber. Now this is almost done. Good on charcoal for now. Just close it up and continue on. The ribs have been on for 1 hour and 30 minutes. I'm gonna take them off. They're ready to be unwrapped. Not too much of a pullback on the bones, but let's see, they're tender. Oh yeah. Look at that. It's time to put them on the kettle, and then I'm gonna let them go on the kettle for about 30 minutes, let them tighten up, absorb more heat this way, and then I'll slice them. Let's take a look at these ribs. I'm pretty sure they're ready to come off. Oh yeah, look at them. Look at that color. They're ready. All right, the ribs are done. Got one right here in my hands. Man, it smells good. Smell that pork, you smell that rub. Just love the way that rub makes it a mahogany look. Beautiful. But let's take a bite. Oh yeah. Oh. Nice. Bite through. I don't know if you can tell, but it's bite through. That is nice. That tastes good. I just love the way that rub makes it look. Color. That mahogany. Man, that is good. Clean off the bone. Kettle Freaks rub, that pork rub, mighty fine right there. And it's been a good day, a very good day. And total cook time for this spare ribs was 5 hours and 30 minutes. 3 hours was unwrapped. I did place a mesquite wood on there, and then I had them wrapped in foil for about an hour and 30 minutes, took them off, and then the rest of the time left them unwrapped. Came out good. And the temp of my Weber Kettle was at around 273, and sometimes it would drop down, go up, and I would add charcoal every hour, about maybe, I don't know, 8 to 10 charcoal briquettes I would add in there just to keep it going. But other than that, easy day, relaxed day. Cooking some spare ribs, some Kettle Freaks spare ribs. Wish you can eat this with me. But as always, stay healthy, keep living. Until then, smoke on, everyone.